Hey guys, just finished up the June certification class for our ceramic coatings. We've got guest trainers here from Buff and Shine, Clint Hintz, Justin Labato. Thank you guys for coming out. Just want to get your take on how everything went.
Well, thanks for having us. Number one, it was a great day today. You know, one thing I noticed about Detail King training is they take a very comprehensive and hands-on approach to training. And I really thought that was cool because in the morning, we weren't just saying, do this, do that. We explained why.
Yeah.
We explained the chemical components of coatings, how to apply them, what happens if you don't apply correctly, how to fix those things. So it was a really detailed and structured training. And I thought that the guys that were here today, they were all guys, did a great job. They stepped right in. It was a hands-on class. It was a, hey, you know, here's this tool. This is what we do for paint correction. And I think that's the key to really learning, is to actually not just be told in this classroom, but to put that buffer to the machine and put that coating on the paint to learn.
Yeah, everyone's hands-on and
absolutely
engaged the whole time.
It was a great class today.
Yeah, no, I 100% agree with what Clint's saying. And as far as, you know, you guys doing this since '99,
Yep.
and you guys were, you know, on the forefront of training and leading by education in the industry. And as a trainer myself, that's kudos to you guys, because you've been able to take something and evolve with it, and the comprehensive side, but also the fact that you have a classroom setting. And then downstairs, you actually have the studio where you're able to set up with all the materials, the supplies, and do it in a garage-like setting that somebody would have a shop set up, and execute the services and have all these trainers hands on deck. You know, not just you or Bill down there, you know, orchestrating this, but have all these trainers and everybody being on the same page with the same style of that curriculum. That's just, it's great, because that's helping lead the industry for the education side that we need to be able to produce not just detailers, but business owners that know how to detail. And that's one thing that you guys really in that category have helped a lot on, is turning these guys into entrepreneurs.
Yes.
You know, and there's very few in the industry that have taken that side of it and ran with it. And I think that there needs to be more of that personally, because you guys are absolutely doing the right thing in the right direction for the industry.
Thank you. And we do really appreciate you guys coming out. You're tremendously helpful. All the students got a lot of great knowledge, not only from us, from your personal experience too. So I do appreciate it, and it's great having you guys here. Maybe we'll do it again sometime.
Absolutely. We'll look forward to it.